Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle crosshair in Rivals. First, open your game and head straight to the main settings. Look for the display or HUD options, as this is where most visual adjustments are made. Once there, you'll want to find the specific section dedicated to crosshair customization. This is your starting point for transforming your aiming reticle. Now that you are in the crosshair settings, look for an option that allows you to change the crosshair style or shape. You should see various choices, and you'll want to select the circular option. Some games might offer a few different circle styles, so pick the one you prefer. After making your choice, be sure to confirm or apply the changes to see it in action. With your new circle crosshair, you can fine-tune its appearance. Many games let you adjust the size and thickness, so play around until it feels just right. Changing the color can also greatly improve visibility against different backgrounds. A bright green or pink often works well. Don't forget to experiment with opacity levels, perhaps starting around 75%, to find your perfect balance. Finally, ensure you save all your crosshair modifications before exiting the settings menu. It's crucial to then enter a practice or training mode to test out your new circular crosshair. This allows you to see how it performs in actual gameplay without affecting your competitive matches. If it doesn't feel quite right, simply return to the settings and make any further adjustments needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.